In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a drop-down mega menu in Wix. Mega menus are an excellent way to organize and display a lot of content in a navigable manner, which can be particularly useful for sites with a broad range of offerings or complex menu structures. Let's dive right into the process to get your Wix site looking professional and highly functional. First, you are going to want to open your Wix editor. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do that and then select the site you want to work on from your dashboard. Once the editor is open, you'll notice the Site menu on the left-hand side. Click that to ensure you've got a clean line of sight to your site's current navigation structure. Next, you'll want to add your drop-down menu. To do this, find the Add button, which is typically depicted as a plus sign on the left. When you click it, a menu will pop up showing a variety of elements you can add to your site. Here, you'll want to select Menus and Anchor, then choose Horizontal Menus, because mega menus typically expand from this type of menu layout. With the horizontal menu added to your page, we can now create our drop-down structure. Click on the menu to pull up the settings and select the Manage Menu option. This is where you'll be able to modify your menu's hierarchy to accommodate a mega menu layout by structuring parent and child levels. You'll need to add items to your menu to serve as categories. These will each have their own drop-down of links or sections. Click Add a Link or Add a Page to create these categories, and arrange them in the order you desire. For each category item you've added, hover over it and click to add sub-pages or links. This setup is essential for making the mega part of the drop-down menu. You can structure this as broadly or narrowly as you'd like. Think of it as the blueprint for what your visitors will see. Now, let's get into the design. You can customize the look of your mega menu by clicking on the Design button. This will open a variety of options: colors, fonts, hover effects, and animations, all geared to make your menu not just functional, but also beautiful. Here's a tip: ensure your color scheme and font choices are consistent with the rest of your site to maintain a unified look. Once you've finalized your design choices, always preview your changes to make sure everything behaves and appears the way you expect. If everything is in place and looks good, hit Publish to update your live site. Congratulations! You've just created a drop-down mega menu in Wix. This can significantly enhance your site's usability, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and happy site building!